Hey, this is Dave Ing. Just a quick video to show you how to troubleshoot your Honda Accord trunk latch. And if you are having trouble, if it's not locking down, like you're slamming it down and it's not locking down, you want to check the health of the latch first and make sure that it's opening and closing. So this one is opening and closing. Take a small screwdriver and just lock that and make sure that that is happening. The next thing you want to check if this is loose here, the screws, there's 3 screws I'll show you on this latch that they're in here, 1, 2, and 3. You have to get the cover off first though. I'll put a link in the description to the little trick to get the cover off. You have to release these 2 clips right here. It's a pain in the butt. So if this is loose here, it probably is. You want to tighten those screws down. And the main thing though is that this striker might have moved over time. So there's these 2 little slots right here. You take a small screwdriver, maybe put a piece of tape over it, and you'll see 2 10mm bolts right here. Grab whatever 10mm you have and just hit it slightly to loosen those bolts. And then you want to line this up. There is some play here. It moves all around. And so you might want to move this slightly up towards the latch. You might want to put the back seats down to make sure that the striker lines up. This may have gotten way off, so it doesn't line up with the latch anymore. So you might want to have someone in the cabin just checking it against the latch. You'll bring the trunk down and try to line that up and have a helper help you. And then you'll just tighten those bolts back down. I'll have a link to a full video on the description how to take this latch off if you need to, as well as a link to eBay and the OEM part numbers for both the latch as well as the striker. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.